Alright, motherfuckers, we're back at it. It's our first episode. It's senior skip day. We're at Kitsilano Beach. Look, you got beautiful babes here and beautiful dudes here. But the dudes are kind of... Oh, before we start this, okay? So today, we're going to be asking the grad class of 2023 from JO some questions. Some very personal questions. There is beef is going to happen. And, some like what's it called, like yeah, anyways, let's get to it. I'm here with
Hi.
What's your name?
Ellis?
Are you in grade 12?
No.
Yes you are. Okay,
Okay,
who in our grade would you not let date your son? Which girl would you not let date your son?
Girl?
Yeah,
Haley Pinolio.
Haley Pinolio. Alright, thank you very much. Go record. I'm here with
Hunter Taylor.
Alright, who in our grade would you not let date your son? Or, I mean, sorry, your daughter. So which guy would you not let date your daughter?
Like any of them?
Any of them? Alright, thank you. Not here. She's not here. I guess we'll have to get her another day. But she's been called out 3 times. Next time too. She just attacked me personally, guys. I just cut her. I'm here with
Rano.
Okay, which guy or girl would you not let date your daughter from JO?
Shazzle.
Other than me!
Would I not let date my daughter?
Yeah, or son.
Or
It's not that complicated.
Just say Kaylee. Okay, sure, Kaylee. Kaylee.
Okay, so the people who voted me, all of them are off and none of them are actually my fucking friends. Randall, this is why you only have one friend. Ellis, you leave hole around so much. And the other 2 people can kiss my ass. Thank you.
Who were the other people?
I don't know, I
I
forgot.
don't remember. It's fine, guys, don't worry.
Beef.
Beef is already started.
They asked me to say your name. That is not true.
I'm here with which guy or girl would you not let date your son or daughter?
Shazzle Jose.
Other than me, man. John Vanilla.
No.
Other than the cameraman.
John Vanilla has a. I mean, say Kaylee.
That's 5 times. Ball. AC, stop. Okay. No.
5 versus 5.
Alright guys, I'm on the ball court. I'm barefoot right now. For my toes. Get my feet in. Okay, and Alright guys, I'm on the ball court with bare feet. And we're here with
Jamil Vicente.
Jamil Vicente.
Oh, Jamil Vicente.
Okay. Which guy or girl would you not let date your child from jail? Other than me and the cameraman, who? Just call him out. Just say it. She meant to say Rainier. Faster. He's gonna get away. I'm here with.
With Mark
And
Hussein.
which girl would you not let date your son? Or guy.
Or guy. I say Queenie Salazar.
Alright, he called out Queen Salazar and you?
I'll go with him. Same.
Alright, same. There's beef with Queen Salazar now. She has 2 votes. Keely has 5 votes.
Oh, actually, no.
Wait, switch it.
Kaylee Pinolio.
Keely has 6 votes. Okay. Shawnee, stop. Alright, I'm here with.
Ashani.
Okay. And okay. Which guy or girl would you not let date your daughter or son?
I wouldn't let you date my daughter.
Other than me. Yeah, it's guesses. We're gonna.
You just realized what you said.
Shut up. Wait, is this recording?
Yeah.
Don't put this in. No, okay, yeah. Other than me and the cameraman.
Aries or Jake?
Aries or Jake? Which one? With Jake.
Jake, the Filipino one.
Filipino, okay.
Yeah.
The president Jake has been called out 5 times already.
Kaylee like
Keely has been
6.
called out 5. Start recording. Alright guys, so we're near the water now. And I'm here with
Magical.
okay, which guy or girl would you not let date your daughter? Other than me and John.
Sydney Fong.
Okay. Yeah.
Guy wise, let's go with Hunter Taylor.
Hunter Taylor, guys. Hunter Taylor has been called out. Keep on recording, don't stop.
Recording.
Hunter Taylor has been called out 2 times. Keely has been called out 6.
What?
Yeah. Jake Valino has been called out 4 times. Let's go. Start. I'm here with
Aries.
which guy or girl would you not let date your child from JO?
Point the camera at that guy holding the
There,
football.
that guy right there. Zoom into him. Okay. Thank you. I'm here with
Echo.
which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
Not let date my child?
Yeah.
Put that man right there, bro.
That one right there.
The
They
fuck?
called each other out.
No, I didn't eat anything before this.
I'm here with
Sydney,
okay. Which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
not date.
Yeah, not date.
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Okay, Kaylee's been called up 3 times. She's right there. Hey guys, I'm here with
Max.
which guy would you not let date your daughter?
Definitely I'm in.
Thank you. Alright, so you make music?
Yeah.
Can you do a demo for us?
When your legs don't work like this.
Alright, thank you. Let's go. Alright, I'm here with
Dayton.
what's your last name?
Tran.
Dayton Tran, everyone. Okay. Which girl would you not let date your son? From the grad class of 2023, John Oliver Secondary School.
Here, Shazzle.
Thank you very much. I've been rejected 2 times already. 2 guys said that they wouldn't let their daughter date me. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, I'm here with
Dayton.
which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
Kaylee Pinolio.
Alright, that's 2 for Kaylee Panelio. That's 2 for Kaylee Panelio and 1 for me. Thank you very much.
Julian.
I have one question. Why are you so jacked? And can you flex for us?
No.
Okay. Back to the seriousness. Which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
Jacob Valino.
Jacob Bueno. Alright, thank you. It's been called out. The president of the school is being attacked. Please watch out. You may be getting some death threats tonight, but it's all good. Don't worry. I'm here with. Your name.
Oh, Jake, yeah.
Hey, okay. Which guy or girl would you not let date your child? From JO.
Probably Jake Valino.
Jake Valino. He's been called out 2 times already. It's all good. Okay, I'm here with.
Vincent.
Which guy or girl would you not let date your child from JO?
You.
No, other than me. And the cameraman.
I'm gonna have to say Jaxel.
Jaxel. Alright, Jaxel's been called out, guys. See you guys next time.
Ow.
Alright, guys, welcome back. I'm here with.
Jez.
And.
Stephanie.
Okay, which guy or girl would you not let date your child from JO?
I think Shazo.
No.
Yeah, I
Other
think
than me.
Shazo.
Other than me.
No, I think Shazo.
Other than me and the cameraman.
Do Kian.
Kian has been called out.
I'll just do LJ.
Okay, that's been called out. Let's go in.
Yeah.
Guys, we are running. Okay. Alright, I'm here with.
Hello.
Okay, which guy or girl would you not let date your daughter from JO? Guy or girl?
Shazzle.
No, other than me. Other than me and the cameraman.
Evan
Okay, Joe's been called out once. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back in the hood. I'm back in my hood and shit, and I'm with Right. Which guy or girl would you not let date your son? Or yeah.
Definitely not a Shawnee Prasad.
100%. Okay, Shawnee's been called out 2 times. 3. That's 3 for Shawnee. Okay.
He's lying.
I'm not.
Jazz Bambella.
Come on.
What?
Shazzle.
I haven't done Mira yet. Wait.
Mira.
Alright, which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
Jake Valino and James McKinnon.
Alright, Jake Lito has been called out 5 times now. Alright guys, I'm here with. Alright, your name. Or gamer tag. Hi Cuddles.
This is not part of it.
Which guy or girl would you not let date your child?
Hunter Taylor.
Hunter Taylor's been called out 3 times on now. Thank you.
What? You got that? Yeah. Yeah. Sus!
You gotta blur that part out, John.
No, I'm
Make
keeping
that
it in.
thumbnail.
He did what?
I'm here with.
Aaliyah Ferrer.
Which guy or girl would you not let date your daughter? Or son? It's pretty open. Other than me and John. Okay, thank you.
I
Okay, she said I'm in.
Sorry,
and
no
pick a girl.
I
You
don't
a
have
girl.
any of the girls.
Okay, she likes girls. Confirmed. That's been confirmed right now, guys. Confirmed.
Yes,
Thank
forehead
you.
camera.
Make that the thumbnail. Oh yeah, confirmed. Recording. This girl has been called out 7 times already.
Fuck everyone who
It's more feet than your height.
Shaza, this is why you can't pull any bitches.
Whoa. Okay, pause. I can
Not.
Cannot. Yeah, exactly what John said.
I found
Exactly.
posters the other.
Huh? I know you did.
How do you know?
Because I saw the poster, you dumb fuck. Kind of shit poster, not gonna lie.
Did you get one? No, beef, point the camera at him. Huh? Oh, did you get a proposal? Oh yeah, did you get a proposal? Yeah. Point the camera right here, point the camera right here.
This is like you get any bitches too.
I think we're ending. Oh wait, thumbnail. Keely and Hamaji have a big fight. Thumbnail that.
Oh my god.
Okay, Ariana.
Okay, what's the time? What the fuck is going on with this mic?
Make a thumbnail though. Yeah, thumbnail.
Yeah, make a thumbnail.
Make a thumbnail. Make a thumbnail.
Oh my god.
John, that thumbnail. You're mad at him. Thumbnail.
Yeah, like slap him or something.
Yeah, go, John.
It looks like you got buffs. It looks like you got buffs. Right, those cardio glasses, kind of.
People suck. I know you buy people with your no money from Playland. Be so fucking for real.
Why am I in this?
From DoorDash?
You from Starbucks?
Hey, Shazzy used to work at Playland too. Good. You get $5 an hour. Be so fucking for real.
At least I'm gonna slave at Starbucks. I don't have to make people's drinks to your exact order. Actually, at least.
Yo, honestly, at least you get tips, yo.
Facts.
Fuck the
tip sheet in.
doesn't get used to her car.
What?
Yeah, can I say something? Don't film me though. Yo, Shazzy, honestly, you're a fucking pussy, yo.
So true. So true.
It's okay, Shazzle.
Me and Jazza as a team, too good. Too good.
Shazzy thinks he's like top shit, yo. You fucking think he's nuts. What are you gonna do?
That's why you prom posted a taken girl?
I had a problem.
Hey, he's taking a fucking guy's girlfriend though. Which I don't know how that.
I've been since kindergarten, man.
Yo, everyone, I just want to say this. Yo, everyone, I just want to say this. Shawty,
Since kindergarten.